Hello, this is Nisa. Friends, today we will learn how to identify the market direction by watching some websites which are freely provide you the support and resistance of a particular stock on which you want to trade. And these websites will update you like world market updates, news and everything that will be sufficient for an investor to know about the market or any particular stock. Okay, let's start. Okay friends, first we will visit nscindia.com. On this website you can see Nifty trend 8697 current price and minus 11 rupees. And here you can see advances, declines, gainers, losers. And right side you can see currency prices, currency rates you can see, and open live market. On that select index, press on index. It is opening, wait. You have to select index. Okay, then see all the sector wise prices are here. Nifty bank, Nifty auto, media, metal, pharma and everything is there. So by red color you can indicate market is going down, green color indicates that market is going upside. Okay, then close it. Next website is NSE guide. It is very important website. Here you can see beginners guide, like it will show you who are beginners in stock market, all the question and answers related to that it will show you. And here in this column you can search any particular stock on which you want to invest or trade and press search button. It will show you support and resistance of a particular stock. See NCC Finance, NCC Blue Water. So select NCC Finance. Okay, see it is 1.58 rupees current price and supports 1 2 3 supports are there and resistance 1 2 3 3 resistance are there. You can see support and resistance of any particular stock on this website. And open this beginners guide column. It will show you some questions and answers. So what's your question? Press on this and see the answer. What is stock jobbing and everything is here. Okay, intraday calls, one column will be there and forex calls, technicals and everything is there. So open intraday calls and see here all the daily updates, daily calls will be there. Okay, close this. And the next website is Earnometer. On this website also you can check support and resistance of any particular stock. So search here on which stock you want to see that support and resistance. It will be show you delivery trend. Press on search. Then it is updated on 7th October 2016. Current price is 86 and the share is in uptrend. Okay, see the support for the stock and resistance also. Downside you can see charts. Okay, Next website is Market Calls. It is very important website. On this website you can see daily charts. Every 5 minutes it will be refreshed. So open NSE signal. It will show you the charts like Nifty chart. Open 8720 is the price and it is in uptrend. Like 3 green lines indicates that it is in uptrend. So here below you can see like all the stocks. Press on any particular stock which you want to see the chart. So it will show you whether it is going up or down. See, this is Bank Nifty chart. It is in downtrend. 3 red lines downside indicates that market is going down, and green lines indicate market is going up. It is a 5-minute delay chart. Next, Google Finance. On this website you can see any particular stocks like trend chart only you can see here. Press any stock like NCC. I'm taking NCC Limited, Nagarjuna Construction Company. So the chart will be open and current price, high price, low price, and 52 weeks high and lows will be there. Okay, current price is 86.45 and the chart is here. Select one day. It means it will show you since morning to market closing how much it makes a high and lows, everything will be there. Okay, on right side you can see news related to NCC Finance. All the news is. Okay, you can see 1 month chart also, 3 months, 6 months. Every month chart will be there. Close this. Next website is moneycontrol.com. This is a very popular and famous website. Here you can see any prices of any stock, commodities, currencies and everything. News, markets, commodities, portfolio also you can manage here, and messages related to any stock. Like experienced person and research analyst will be update daily messages related to any stock, any particular stock. So I am searching here NCC Limited. So here also you can see like prices and messages related to that stock. We are searching. Wait. Press on search button. Unfortunately it is not showing. I don't know why. NCML Industries, NCC Blue Water. Okay, we'll search another stock. SBI or SBH. Let's see. State Bank of India. Okay, see, current price 258. In BSC it is 258 and NSE, and this is a market centimeter. It will show you the investor views, that how many are in positive, how many percent are saying it is in negative. So here you can see messages by experts, analysts. So left side you can see one column, comments. Click on this. You can see here every 1 minute, 2 minute, everyone will be update any particular message, like buying and selling messages will be updated. In this portfolio you can manage your personal portfolio. You have to sign in. First you have to create a money control account. After that only you can manage your portfolio here. Okay. This is the messages posted by experts. Close this and then we'll open Bazaar Trend. This is also very helpful, and upside you can see all the world market trends. It is showing right arrow downside, means it is in downtrend. Green arrow is in upside, it will show you market is in upside. So we are searching here State Bank of India trend. So supports and resistance are there. You have seen like target, 3 targets will be there for upside and 3 targets will be there for downside, and they are recommending that it is in strong buying. And open next site investing.com. On this site you can watch news related to stock market. Worldwide newses will be there. And all the markets updates will be there. See technical column, you can see pivot points. USD INR, it is showing like support, resistance, and currency rates, and supports and resistance will be there, and current price will be there, you can see. And the next and last, Yahoo Finance. On this website you can see historical prices of any stock. Like we have taken NCC Limited, so high and lows which made by a particular stock in this year we are seeing. Select the year, date and month. You can see the chart and then you can see the prices, historical prices. Okay friends, thanks for watching.